Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to undo changes in Cloud Code. Cloud Code has a built-in rewind system. The easiest way to undo changes is to use /rewind. So literally all you need to do is to go to your chat on code and simply just write this down. Or you can literally just press escape twice and Cloud Code automatically creates a checkpoint while you work so you can go back to an area code state and or conversation stage or both. Now you could literally just, for example, here I have a code, I think. So this is a code that Cloud Code has been working on. So here it is. So you just see it. Let's say, for example, I have added a comment right after it, and this comment affected the actual code, and it made it worse. So the situation I would like to undo the changes. So literally I can just write the prompt, which is undo these previous changes. Just by writing down this prompt, I mean, like any AI, you're simply gonna talk like just English, just use your language. So just use plain English and you will be able to actually get your code back as it was in the first form. Now, other than that, of course, you can do the rewind thing that I mentioned, but the best thing for me, the easiest way is to actually do that. You can write better version prompts, like you can write code like this. There is several prompts I have in this video. You can literally just write one of these: restore code in conversation, restore conversation only, restore code only, summarize from here, and summarize up to here. So this will help you a lot to actually get back to where you were at the beginning. And yeah guys, that was it. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the upcoming video.